I have to do is click new episode and it should load. So now I'm going to go to the art catalog right here and find a good background for my story. So episode has tons of backgrounds here, so we can go search for them. So we're just going to copy the background name, Control C, and you're going to go back to your script. Okay guys, so all I did was I copied the name of the background and I just pasted it. So how you do that is click narrator. The narrator bubble will look like this. So if you want to look like that, you just have to do narrator, beach, parks, forest town. So basically this is the character, aka the narrator, and this is the dialogue. So then what you're going to do is you're going to have a character enter the screen. Maybe Alexis enters from left to screen left. You can also change left to right. You can change screen left to screen center or screen right. So then after that, what you're going to do is now that she's on the screen, she has to talk and have animations. So you're just going to type the character's name. And in parentheses, you're going to put the animation. And how you find the animation is all you have to do is you just type a certain emotion. For example, talk. And a bunch of an animation should pop up. But if you want to find it, you can also type it here and click the plus sign and a bunch of them should pop up. And if you click the eye, it will show you what it looks like. So now that my animation is in parentheses, no spaces, you're just going to click enter and add your dialogue. Alexis, and then another animation, talk exhausted. She's supposed to be here by now. And then Julie can enter from right to screen right. And then Alexis can be surprised. Julie, talk apathetic. You didn't think I would leave. And then Alexis, think, rub chin, and now we're going to add a choice. ... So make sure a choice always has to happen after dialogue. Then type choice, enter, and then little quotation marks, which is what's going to appear on a button. For example, yes or no. So, yes, I did actually. Period, quotation mark, and then this little curly bracket. Enter, and curly bracket. What's going to happen when you press it will go in a curly bracket. You're going to click enter again. This is what's going to appear on the second button. No, I didn't. And then quotation marks, and then you're going to do space and a curly bracket. And then go enter. So now if it says yes, Alexis can be like talk, afraid, yes, actually. Yes, actually. And then Julie can be like, oh. And then Julie could be like, reassured. Well, that doesn't matter. I'm here now. Alexis, talk, happy, neutral. No, I did not. Julie. For example, let's say the choice is, what do you want for lunch? In this bracket, I would put sandwich. This one maybe soup. And then what's inside of it, maybe the character getting the soup. And then here, maybe them getting the sandwich. and then at the end of both of them, she can be going home. So it has to be a common thing that happens after, no matter what choice. So let's say Julie, exhausted, let's get changed already. Julie, cheer maybe. I can't wait to go for a swim. Alexis can be like talk. And then at transition, fade out black into. So this is just a quick transition. Okay? Marston Beach, present day. I wonder where Alexis is. Julie. She's supposed to be here by now. You didn't think I would ghost you, did you? And then this is the button, what shows up. So once again, whatever in the quotation marks, it's going to be on a button. For example, yes, I did actually. It says it right there. So if I click, yes, I did actually, what's going to happen is this part inside the bracket is going to occur. Yes, actually. Oh. Well, that doesn't matter. I'm here now. Let's get changed already. I can't wait to go for a swim. Same. I think that's a quick transition. So that's how you do a quick scene on episode. I just taught you guys that. But if you guys want to go more in depth, once again, click the playlist down below. I love you guys so much, and make sure to go subscribe and turn on the bell if this video helped you. Make sure also give it a big thumbs up. And I love you guys so much, and see you next Sunday. Bye!